Look at Birdie and her beautiful babies. Oh, they springing leaks. Everybody's doing so good. We're getting out to stretch our legs today. Can't get outside, it's all wet, but we can get in here while Mama does her chores. Ain't they? I just had to take a break. You gonna show off your babies? Look at them, they got their legs now. Woohoo! They hopping everywhere. I wouldn't go over there. Hey, sweetness. Hey, up, up, up. Well, we got to get that up, don't we? Go put that back in your stall. Patton's getting a snack. Yeah. All right.